Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as we know that we have started the previous year parts, and in the previous lectures we have finished with the history part. So in this lecture we are going to start the geography part. So I want you all to pay much more attention in it, because as the things we had done in the history, the same things we are going to done in the geography with some more force. Okay. So right now we having the type 2 geography. Okay, and let me remind you something which I have reminded you already in the previous lecture, that first we are going to have a revision of all our topics which we have already covered. Second, we will have a look upon various topics from which questions are asked in the examination. And the third is that we will also get idea about new topics. Okay, so this is all what we are going to cover in this lecture, as the same thing we had done with the history part. Okay, so again I will give you 40 seconds, 30 seconds, 20 seconds and 15 seconds as per the type of questions and as per the method, or you can say the mention which I had made in the previous lecture. Okay, so let's start this session. So the first question we have is the seismic sea waves which approach the coast at greater force are known as. Okay, so for this you will get 40 seconds to answer this question, and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Your time's up. So the right answer is B, tsunami. Okay, and if we focus on the explanation behind this phenomena, then you can remember like seismic waves, or you can just seismic word I had connected with the earthquake in a previous lecture. Okay, so seismic sea waves, whenever it's occurred, so basically it is talking about the earthquake. Okay, so let me make a diagram for you so that you can understand better. Suppose this is a land part. This is the land part. Here is your city and whatever soil is there. Whatever is there. Okay. Then there is a sea part here. Okay. So whenever the earthquake will occur here, or you can say here. Okay. So it will not only have a force on the land part, but also on the sea part. And when this force will apply upward, then the waves will come towards the coastal region with great force, because the earthquake has impacted them. And you can say, as the earthquake goes high, tsunami will also goes high. Okay, now I think that you have got your answer. Now let's move forward. The next question is the land of maximum biodiversity. Now about biodiversity I had mentioned so many times in a previous lecture, so I hope that you are aware about it. But now we have the question, is about the land of maximum biodiversity, or you can say a area where maximum biodiversity is found. Okay, so again you are going to have a 40 seconds to answer this question. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Time's up. Correct answer is A. Okay, so the tropical regions are the area where the maximum biodiversity happen. Okay, so what are the tropical regions? If we looked at our Earth, then the Earth is in this shape. Okay, this shape. This area is a North Pole. This area is a South Pole. Right? And then there is a line going in middle of Earth, which is called as equator, which divided Earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. All right. Similarly, another line above and below equator passes through the Earth. The above one is known as the Tropic of Cancer. The lower one is known as the Tropic of Capricorn. All right. Thereafter, the another line also passes above the Tropic of Cancer. Similarly, another line also passes over Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. So this above line is known as Arctic Circle, and this line is known as Antarctic Circle. All right. So remember, the equator lies at 0 degree. Tropic of Capricorn lies at 23 and half degree south. Okay. Tropic of Cancer lies at 23 and half degree north. Okay. Arctic Circle lies at 66 and the half degree north. Similarly, Antarctic Circle lies at 66 half degree south. Okay. So these areas, tropic and this tropic, whether in north or south, having the maximum biodiversity. All right. So you can just take the click of this particular diagram which I have shown you, or you can take your time about 15 seconds to make this diagram. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time's up. Next question we have Indian Standard Time, which is in short also known as IST. Okay. Indian Standard Time relates to which of the following denotes the Indian Standard Time. Okay. Again, you are going to have a 30 seconds only for this question. Okay. So your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Your time's up. So the answer is 82.5 degree longitude in the east. Okay, now let's understand the concept. If you looked at our earth, then again the earth looks like this. Okay, in north, then it's a south, then it's having lines like this. Okay, and also having line like this. All right, so you can say these horizontal lines are known as the latitudes. Okay, and these vertical line are known as the longitudes. Okay, so basically when we are going to talk about the time, then we have to deal with the longitudes. It is a 0 degree longitude and then it goes up to 90. So it is 90 degree this side, 90 degree this side. This area known as the west, sorry, this area known as the east, this area known as the west. Okay, so at every degree there is a difference of 4 minutes. Okay, and at every 15 degree there is a difference of 1 hour. Okay, so that's how the time zone works. Okay, and remember, whenever you are going to east, time will be add on. Whenever you are going to west, time will be minus. Okay, so when we start from this area to this area, and this 0 degree is basically Greenwich. It's a Greenwich area. Okay, and Indian time is nearly about 5:30 hours plus. Okay, so whatever time is here in the Greenwich, our time is always 5:30 hours plus. Okay, so when we come to the India, then at 82.5 degree east longitude, we got our standard time. Okay, so just look at this figure. All right, now let's move forward. Thereafter, the fourth question we have, which is the second nearest star to the earth after the sun. Now only you will get 20 seconds because there is no such explanation in this question, and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time's up. So the correct answer is C. Proxima Centauri is the second nearest star to the earth. Okay, and the first one is sun. All right. Thereafter, now we have fifth question, which have a mention about the Sundarban. Okay, so the question is, the forest in Sundarban is called. Now you have only 20 seconds because again there is not so much explanation about this question. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Times up. So the correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. If we talk about the Sundarban, then it is found in West Bengal. Okay, and it is also a national park area, if you remember. Okay, which is famous for which animal? Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, similarly there is a one Gir National Park region. which lies in the area of which state? Gujarat. And it is very famous for Asian lions. Okay, so remember these points. Sundarban, which lies at West Bengal, is a national park where they have Royal Bengal tiger, and it is very famous for Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, thereafter the Gir National Park, which lies in Gujarat and famous for Asian lions. Okay, so this is about the Sundarban. Now it is called as the mangrove forest. It is called the mangrove forest. So basically you can say the mangrove forests are formed near area where salt and fresh water mix up. Okay, so mangrove forests generally formed near the areas where salt and fresh water got mixed up. So if we talk about the West Bengal, then it's a coastal state, and the salt water provided by the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and the fresh water is generally provided by the Ganga river and its co-rivers. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Sixth question we have, which of the following Indonesian region was a victim of massive earthquake in 2004? Basically, it's a point of general, you can say the current affairs question. Okay, but sometimes this questions also asked in the examination because you cannot judge the examiner's mind. Okay, so for this question, I'm only giving you 15 seconds because I don't think there is much explanation about this question. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Your time, sir. So the right answer is Sumatra. Sumatra is an Indonesian region where there was a massive earthquake in 2004. And this question belongs to the SSC examination of 2010. So now you can say after 6 years, even after 6 years, this question was asked. So there is a chances it will be asked you in your examination. Okay. Seventh question we have, the first non-stop air-conditioned Duronto train was flagged off between. Okay. This question was asked in 2010. Again, they formed the static part because Duronto Express is one of the famous train in India. Okay, if you are a traveler from north to south, on south to north, and from east to west, if you have ever traveled out of your state, so you must have heard about Duronto Express. Okay, so now the question is the first non-stop air-conditioned Duronto Express we are talking about. Okay, and your options are Sialde to New Delhi, Bangalore to Havana, Mumbai, Havana, and Chennai, New Delhi. And you are going to have a 30 seconds to answer this question, and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Your time's up. So the right answer is Sialde to New Delhi. Okay. So the first Duronto train was flagged off, which is the non-stop air-conditioned train. Okay. It's running between Sialde to New Delhi. Alright. And basically, this Sialde region lies at West Bengal. So it was nearly about West Bengal to New Delhi. Okay. Now, the 8th question we have, which one of the following state does not form part of Narmada River Basin? Okay. In the previous lectures, I had told you about the river basin. It means area from where river water flows. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the Narmada river, and we have to mark out the state where Narmada river does not flow. So you are going to have 20 seconds to answer the question, and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Your time's up. The right answer is Rajasthan. Okay, so Rajasthan state is the region where Narmada does not have its river basin. All right, now let's go to the ninth question. We have soil erosion on hill slopes can be checked by. Okay, soil erosion, which generally happens on the hill slope, can be checked by, and now you have only 30 seconds to answer this question. Okay, and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and the correct answer is terrace cultivation. Okay, so if we talk about the soil erosion, so it is basically the washing up of top layer of soil. Okay, so you can understand, like, if this is a soil, okay, then the soil have various layer. Okay, it is a top layer which generally having more significant for the agriculture, but due to wind and water, if this layer flows away, then the necessary nutrients which are required for the cultivation will be washed off. Okay, and when we are talking about the hilly areas like this one, okay, the hilly areas where the flow of water is tremendous, very high, because of the gravity action and incline slope. Because of the gravity option and the incline slope, okay, the water flows at tremendous rate. So there are so many chances like the soil top layer or the soil erosion will take place. So what we do terrace cultivation. Basically, you can say, if this is a mountain, then we generally made terraces like this on the mountain slope. Okay, so you can say the water flowing from the upper areas will have a proper stop. Okay, so that's how the rate of water goes down and soil erosion is checked. All right, hope now you have got the explanation. Now let's move to the next question. We have, who coined the word geography? I had told you I want you to answer this question. I'm going to provide you 20 seconds. Now it is up to you. Okay, so your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time's up. So the correct answer is Eratosthenes. Okay, so our Eratosthenes was the person who coined the term geography, which means study of earth. Okay. So the study of Earth was first coined by Eratosthenes. Okay. If we talk about the Herodotus, then he belongs to the history and often considered as father of history. Okay. Ptolemy, then he is the person who mentioned about the round shape of Earth. Okay. And Herodotus Miletus was the first to more elaborate the geography. Okay, so remember these points. The Eratosthenes was the person who coined the word geography for the first time. Herodotus, he was the father of geography, so we do not consider, he was the founder of history. So generally, he does not have any work in this geography session. But when he has come, so we should respect him. All right. So he was the father of history. Okay. Now he has got enough respect. Now come to the Ptolemy basically. So Ptolemy was the first person who made that round shape of Earth. Herodotus was the person who more elaborate the geography. So that's why sometimes he is considered as the father of geography. All right. Now let's move forward. The 11th questions we have. The 11th question we have. Which of the following is called the ecological hotspot of India? Ecological hotspot of India. And for this, I'm going to provide you 40 seconds because you have to consider several factors for it. Then only you will be able to answer. So your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Time's up. The right answer is Western Ghats. Alright, so right answer is Western Ghats. Okay, so if we talk about the ecological hotspot, then these are the areas where there are so many epidemic species found. Okay, and if we go in particular, then at least 1500. Endemic, not epidemic, sorry, it's about endemics. Okay, and nearly about 1500, minimum 1500 endemic species should be found. And if we considered our previous lectures, then we had to come to the fact that Western Ghat is home for various endemic species. All right. So I hope now you have got your answer. Okay. The 12th question we have is about the age of the earth can be determined by. Now only 20 seconds you guys are going to have, because there is not so much explanation about it. I will tell you why. But first of all, give the answer. 20 seconds you have. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time's up. So the right answer is radiometric dating. So basically, this is done for finding the carbon content. If you remember, all right, time's up. So the right answer is radiometric dating, B. It is basically done for the carbon content to be found. And as we know that carbon has a capacity to combine with major and major elements parts. So that's why it is used. Now the next question is, how much of the Earth's land surface is desert? Again, you guys only having 15 seconds to answer this question because it's fact and figure. Okay. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time's up. The correct answer is 1/5 of the earth land surface is desert. Okay. Now the 14th question we have, river Indus originates from. Now it's a very basic questions. I had told you so many times. 20 seconds you guys have to answer this question and your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Time's up. So correct answer is Kailash Range. Kailash Range. Okay. Because Indus originates from Bokarchu Glacier. Bokarchu Glacier, which found in Tibet. Okay. And the Kailash Range is a part of Tibet. So ultimately, the river has its origin in Tibet. Alright, or Kailash Range particularly. Now the 15th and the last question for this lecture is, the lowest layer of atmosphere is, again 50 seconds only you guys are going to have, because I have told you so many times. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Time's up. The answer is C. Okay. The first one is a troposphere. Second one is a stratosphere. Third one is mesosphere. Fourth one is a thermosphere. And the last one is a exosphere. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, and it's 5. Okay. So here we have finished today in this lecture. We have finished the 15 questions. We have come to know about some more new points. We have revised our previous points. Okay. So in the next lecture, we will continue with the geography. Till then, just revise all the facts and figures so that you found yourself much better in answering the questions, which we will be discussing in our next lecture. Okay. With this note, let's end this session and thank you.